This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Indian-style bone broth using an easy method. We'll focus on creating a deeply flavorful and nutritious broth with readily available ingredients. This simple approach ensures even beginners can achieve a rich, aromatic result. Get ready to learn a straightforward way to incorporate this wholesome staple into your cooking, enhancing many dishes with its goodness. To begin, you will need approximately 2 pounds of beef or chicken bones. For authentic Indian flavor, we'll add aromatics like 1 large onion, a 2-inch piece of ginger, and 4 cloves of garlic. Essential whole spices include 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 10 black peppercorns, and 2 bay leaves. Roasting your bones for 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Once your bones are roasted, transfer them to a large stock pot or slow cooker. Add all your prepared vegetables and whole spices. Now, cover everything with about 8 to 10 cups of cold water. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. Allow it to cook slowly for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even up to 12 hours for maximum nutrient extraction. After simmering, carefully remove the pot from the heat. Using a fine mesh sieve or colander lined with cheesecloth, strain the broth into a clean bowl, discarding all the solids. Let the broth cool completely to room temperature before transferring it to airtight containers. You can store this delicious Indian-style bone broth in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it for several months for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.